So we're going to do probably the final, maybe the tires will get changed in the rear. But other than that, this was going to be how the rat rod is going to look. Might change up the grill a little bit because there's nothing there. Stupid little things, but this is the basic layout of the rat rod mower. We finally got an engine implanted in her. Just had to start it. Lift this up like so. Hook the chain around the thing like that. Then we go up underneath. Grab the cord. Here we go. So that is the start, basically the start and stop. This has the engine brake on it just like a normal push mower would. So I just took where the stock throttle was and hooked it right here. And it doesn't like to stay up on its own, hence why we have the chain to hold it. And then it still has throttle control on it. So I just mounted a secondary one here on the side, and it works perfectly fine. So we got fenders, hood, and front fenders off of two different mowers, and then the frame is a third different mower. So this is 3 different mowers combined into one. The little lowering plate here and the frame are the same mower. The fenders and the hood are the same mower, and the front fenders are off of a different mower completely. So I actually have a quad seat I'm thinking about tossing right here. I will actually go grab that and put it on here, and then start the video back over. So while I went to go get it, I actually set it up. I think this is the best way to do it. Put the lip in the front because it is on a downhill slope, and it was just weird the other way around. It just felt like I was going to slide off. So I think this is how I'm going to do it. And it already has bolts coming out, so I just need to bolt that down. And then that's about it, really. I need to find a pulley for the bottom of this engine, and then I need to get the belt for it. But other than that, this is the rat rod mower. All LT10s, actually just different years slapped into one to make this work. And hopefully going to be getting it running and driving this weekend. Hopefully everything works out, and video will be up of it running and driving around. But that's it for now.